Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today you are coming along with me to Farmer's Market. So I just want to show you how pretty everything is and what we have here. Some of our selections. Just really, really pretty. Look at all the flowers. Very cool. Any kind of flower. Oh, here, look at those lilies. Aren't they beautiful? Calla lilies, different colors. Very pretty. Look at all this. Very pretty. I hope you guys can see this. It's kind of shady. Very cool. And then we have vegetables over here. All kinds of vegetables. And boots. Some boots. All kinds of different honey. Jewelry for sale over here. I think this is probably Avon, which I already saw. Not sure what this is. Cocoa Kingdom cookies. Okay. Then we have some cabbages. Only $2.50 each. Romaine lettuce. Lots of green. So just greens. All these greens. Thank you. Okay, so this is fresh kale and fresh green onions and broccoli and cauliflower, and then some more zucchini. And all of the zucchini, it looks amazing. Look at all of this. It looks so beautiful. And then we have all kinds of food available. I'm not going to go all the way down there, but this is all we have. Very cool. Hey guys, thanks for coming along with me to Farmer's Market. Now it's my turn to buy stuff, and starting right here with some of these zucchinis. See you soon.